Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here. That's between year 2015 and year 2017. If you have one of those, you need to find where the TPMS light fuse is located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now the TPMS light fuses, okay, where they're located. There will be guys 3 different fuses that you will need to check. If you're on the market for a good system guys, for a TPMS diagnostics, this is Maxi TPMS TS408. We have multiple videos how to program TPMS sensor, how to diagnose TPMS system as well. Now we'll demonstrate on that 2017 model. We have 2 different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working one of them. Well, actually both of them. And the first one is on the inside, on the driver's side. Look under the dash, above the pedals, in that left side. Look upside down. You will see one white cover. Open it and you'll see a fuse box that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check 2 fuses. The first fuse that you need to check for the TPMS is fuse number 1. Talking about this 10M fuse right here. After that you will guys need to check one more fuse, and that fuse specifically it's fuse number, so that's 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, fuse number 20. That 10M fuse right here. Next you need to open the hood on your Toyota Camry. Once you open the hood guys, facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box right here under this cover. Go ahead, open it. You'll see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Here you need to check one more fuse, and this specifically is fuse number 37. This little bitty 10M fuse right here guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.